Hi, I'm Chef Eric Crowley and I own the Culinary Classroom. Like you, I'm always looking for quick ways to get a lot of flavor in my meals. I find that using spices and herbs is a wonderful way to broaden your horizons in the kitchen. I'm going to show you my sizzle rosemary herb butter and spice it up. This is wonderful on grilled steak, super tossed up in some pasta. I've even had it on a baked potato. It is tremendous. I'm going to show you how to make this right now. For my sizzle rosemary chili butter, I'm going to need about 2 sticks of butter. Take them out of the refrigerator a good 30 minutes before you want to use it. Make sure that it's really nice and soft when you squeeze it. Put the butter into a big bowl, and then you're going to wind up adding in the other ingredients. Some really finely chopped garlic, some finely chopped rosemary, some finely chopped red chili like these Thai birds, or some red jalapenos will work really well. And last but not least, my sizzle spice blend. Put that all together, mix it all up with a wooden spoon. You could even use a handheld mixer if you want. Get it really well blended. And then, don't forget to taste it. You may want to put some salt into the mixture, or like me, you may want to put in some more sizzle spice blend. And then roll it on up. Get it into a piece of parchment paper like this. This will keep in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks, or in the freezer for 6 months. Or you can get these really cool little jars and you can keep the butter in there for a good 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. A couple of slices on this on a hot steak and I'm ready to eat. The aroma is just going to be tremendous. You'll love it. And here's the butter over a really nice hot steak. My sizzle rosemary chili butter. Oh, fantastic. It smells so good. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my social media platforms for more tips and tricks. And remember to spice it up.